Happy Thanksgiving. I'm at my cousin's house, and here's their Carrier Smart Comfort, Performance Series running. It has an ACM fan motor, and it has a scroll compressor, and there is an air launch dryer in there. Here on advanced, and it's got that new refrigerant. It is from 2025, and it's a 3 ton from 2025. Sounds pretty nice, but yeah, this is a very nice unit. In my opinion, I think this is one of the best quality air conditioning systems that you can get these days. And it's a heat pump as well, like it has a reversing valve and stuff. So here it is running. Didn't bring my GoPro and tripod, so I'm not gonna get a startup, but just wanted to film it running.